I cannot, in good conscience, let the remarks made earlier by our colleague, Senator Francis Pangilinan, during the Blue Ribbon Committee pass without rebuttal. His comments, while not naming us directly, were laced with insinuations, clearly aimed at me and former Senator Bong Revilla, and the legal ordeals I have already faced. With due respect, such statements are not only unfair, they are malicious and utterly uncalled for. Ginoong Pangulo, hindi ako tutol sa sinasagawang pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Ngunit, hindi ko pahihintulutan na ang kasalukuyang issue ay gamitin upang idikit muli sa akin ang mga maling paratang at sadyang impluwensyahan ang opinyon ng publiko.
For the record, there was no intention of maligning any individual in the manifestation we said earlier during the committee hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Wala pong personalan, gaya ng nabanggit ng butihing senador, wala po tayong pinangalanan. Humihingi tayo ng unawa dahil bago pa nung hearing na yon, tayo po ay humurap sa judiciary at doon din na tinalakay at pinag-usapan ang problema ng conviction rates, particular ng Sandigan Bayan. 47% ang conviction rates ng Sandigan Bayan. Ibig sabihin sa bawat dalawang kaso, isa absuelto. That was the context, Mr. President, of our manifestation earlier. There was no intention of maligning any senator with that manifestation. For the record, Mr. President, and again, humihingi tayo ng unawa kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Wala pong personalan yung ating earlier manifestation. I hope he will understand.
If I may quote, well, if I may, kumari ko siguro ikomento, siguro kung yung Napoles cases inauwi doon, halip na absuelto, kulong, baka hindi na nangyari itong mas malaking kurakot. Those were the words of Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Sino ba ang pinatatamaan niya? Sino ba ang pinatatamaan mo? Di ba? It's very obvious that I was being alluded to. Remember, Mr. Senator Pangilinan, that I was acquitted by the court. Are you questioning the decision of the court acquitting this representation? You're a lawyer. I'm not. You shouldn't be talking that way. You are undermining the judicial process in our country.